Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. And today we're going to get into some things, but make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell. And yes, we are doing a Fashionnova clothing haul today, okay? So everything that I got from Fashionnova, I got in a size medium, and this is the You Can Get It long sleeve top in the color black. It does also come in the color orange. For some reason, that one was $30, but I was like, you know what? I'd rather pay $21. So yes, I got this shirt for $21. It's super comfy and lightweight. So yes, I will be wearing this at home with my Zoom calls. Up next, we have this super cute Carpe Diem long sleeve white top. I got it for $13.99. And again, this is another Zoom call outfit. I am just loving the white and the black contrast. And you know, this outfit is just super cute. Around the house, a store run, all that good stuff. So up next, we have the Restart leggings set in the color Hunter. And I really do like this set. My only issue is that it's see-through. Yeah, I don't know. I was just like, dang, you could see my cheeks. Like, I didn't have no underwear on, you know. I love Fashionnova, but they allegedly have the same manufacturer as Rainbow. So, yeah, I don't know, y'all. What y'all think? I think it's so cute. I just wish it wasn't see-through. So this outfit cost $24.99, and I've been in the gym working on my squats, okay? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I do love the little tie-waisted part, the area. I do like the fact that it has a turtleneck and that it's ribbed material. So yeah, I'm feeling this outfit. I just wish it was thicker. Okay, you guys, I'm sitting here trying to remember why these outfits are so cheap. I just remembered I got everything half off. I forget what holiday it was. I want to say it was President's Day. And when I ordered everything, it was half off. Because I'm like, I know Fashionnova is not this cheap. That's why I don't order that much, because, you know, they have the same manufacturer as Rainbow. But anyway, this is the Tell Me About It Ruched legging set in the color navy. I got it for $17.49. Again, everything is half off. I do like the fact that it's ruched at the bottom, and I did tie the top because it was a little big, but this is super comfy. I am loving this outfit. I wear it around the house all the time, and I'm just feeling the color contrast. So up next, we have this super cute outfit. It is the In Your Court biker short set in the color Heather Gray. I got it for $11.89. Again, it was half off. And I'm just loving this super cute outfit. You guys, I do apologize about my lighting. For some strange reason, my lighting keeps going in and out, bright and not bright. I tried to edit it as best as I could. But yes, this outfit is so comfortable. And it's like a mini crop in a way. The top is a little bit cropped, but it's so comfortable and soft. And I just love the zipper at the top. I love the hoodie. And I'm feeling the shorts because they highlight all the good parts about your curves. And I love the stripe on the shoulder as well and on the side. And yeah, I'm just loving this super cute outfit. It's nice for the spring, going for walks, and there you go. So up next, we have my favorite out of the entire collection. It's called My Two Halves Colorblock short set in the color Mauve combo, and it came to $17.50. And I'm just liking this super cute two-tone Colorblock outfit. It's so comfortable. But honestly, you guys, since I purchased this way back in January, I have worn this a few times around the house. And I will say that, unfortunately, it gets a lot of lint on it. I don't know what's going on. When I take it out the dryer, there's like lint all over it. So I'm a little swole about that. But other than that, it's super cute, super comfortable. The shorts hug my curves in all the right places. And yeah, I really do like this color combination as well. Last but not least, we have the Sounds About stripe long sleeve midi skirt set in the colors black and white. This is a ribbed material. I do like this outfit, and I did get it in a size medium, but it just feels like the sizing is off. It's honestly really tight, and outside of this video, I have not worn it yet. I don't like the way it looks on my stomach. It's just grabbing and clutching everything, but I do think it's a cute set. I do like the midi skirt portion of it. I do like the ribbed material, but again, for some reason, it just fits really tight. I don't know what's going on with this outfit. So I hope you guys enjoy this super quick, fun try on haul. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And I will see you guys next time. Namaste.